Welcome again to my channel Everything Computerized. I am CA and today I am going to show you how you can use the data of your cell phone on your computer device without the use of any router, broadband, Wi-Fi, modem or any other complicated stuff. So without wasting much time, let's get started. If you have a laptop, then you can connect to internet with the help of Wi-Fi hotspot. But if you have a desktop without a built-in Wi-Fi, then you would have to connect an external source for internet, such as Ethernet, Wi-Fi dongle or modem. But if you own an Android device, then you don't need any of these. You just need a USB cable and you can connect to internet with the help of that. I know many of you would be knowing about this trick, but I have made this video for those who don't know about this. First, you need to go to settings on your Android device. Then you have to go to connections. After that, you have to go to mobile hotspot and tethering. There you will see many options. One of those would be USB tethering, and currently it is disabled. Let's move on to the desktop and check whether it is connected to internet or not. Let's check it by opening some random website. So you can see that it is not connected to internet. Now what you have to do is to connect your Android device to your computer with the help of a USB data cable. When you will connect your device with the computer, by default it will be connected as a mass storage device, and you could transfer media files between your computer and your device. When your Android device is connected with the computer, the option for the USB tethering gets enabled. Now what you have to do is to turn on the USB tethering option. As soon as you turn this option on, your device will be disconnected as a mass storage and now it will be connected as an internet source. Here you can see network is connected. Let's open YouTube on computer. So now you can see that we have successfully connected to internet on the computer with the help of a USB cable. Don't forget to like this video and do subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Please vote my way of explanation by tapping on the info card above.